Hi everyone, this is Doreen with DL Lane Photography. I put this video together of all the different tricks that I have taught Presley so far. The best tip I have for training a bird is finding a treat that they really love and then giving them that treat only as a reward during training. You will notice that some clips I refer to Presley as a boy and then others as a girl. We were told by the breeder when we got Presley that he was 100% male. However, Presley has recently become hormonal and it is very obvious that he is actually a she. And step up. Good boy. A lot of these tricks were trainable because of Presley learning to target. If you train your bird only one trick, this would be it, as you can then communicate to them where you want them to go. Presley, around. Good boy. Around. Good boy. Okay. Good boy. Open this up to the right angle again. Okay. That new training perch is actually the original perch that I had made for Elvis. I just cut it to just over waist high, mounted a dowel perch to it, and wrapped it with sisal rope. Presley took to it right away, and Elvis has started to do his training on it as well. Good girl! Press it clockwise. Good. How about this? Good boy. Yay! You did it! Good boy. Okay, now come back through. Come back through. Good boy. Good job. Perfect. Good boy. The following tricks are a combination of the single tricks that Presley has gotten down pat. Good job! Good boy! Bring it to me. Oh, that was great. Thank you for stopping by and watching. If you enjoyed our video, please be sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and Elvis, Presley, and I will see you again soon.